South Africa markii high school dhameeyaan oo jaamacad aadaan magaalada intay imaadaan qol loo kireeyano qol loo kireenayaa marka qolkaas isla degaan wiilal iyo niman oo fahmaysaa hal building oo kala fahmay laakiin problemka waxaa loo leeyahay koobashaada oo qofka
Si pas notre staff là, wale se woke la tani. Wale se woke la. Mola.
Uy, ona yetwa.
Ako naman.
Ha?
You're calling here noma semsebenzini.
Uyazi ukuthi kwenzeka nje uma emini la.
Uyazi ngimtsheli.
Awuba.
Ngimtsheli. More than once.
Then ucomfortable ngalando.
Nizophuma ama flying kick ke manje. Nizophuma ama flying kick. Kusaphi yaphi imali uyabe.
Izanga tshole yale. Kusam lo nangaki lo.
Ayiwe. Ndio tunangaki. Yeah? Usmada nko.
Awutheni that nke.
Kwenzakala la kanti
Awutheni that.
Musu kusifisa usifisana.
Vula loba buso. Angithi abafana uyabazi umama akho kulethe esikolweni na unje. Susa leyo nje esebusweni. Susa.
ayaga marka waa lagu
Uma wakho ubhadala school fees. When you are here doing what? Is your mother proud with this? There's nothing we call you.
It's quiet.
Ayikho nje into
Hadda
ekhala.
gabadha fiiri hooyada u imaada kuwii kala fiiri waa okay kulligood
abazali babhadalile ngigibela ama transport ngisuke eSoweto ingane zethu thina sihlala la
loo soo diray jaamacadda dhitaan school fee laga bixiyaa
abazali babhadala school fees
مسارة يسوطن وكوبا بينا عبتان
ninqama impilo zenu for what for an okapay for ipilo yini ninqamela impilo zenu you have no respect for isikolo senu. You have no respect for your own school.
So this motherfuckers are caught. I mean, I don't every time upstairs I came to the school. I want to tell that. Don't fuck with school boys, my bro. University boys, they take you bad places, and they make you pass out. They take you upstairs with another room. You know what I'm saying? They are tricky for sure. You know what I'm saying? So these guys are caught, my bro.
Awutshela umama ukuthi hey amahlazo yamhlaza. Uyamhlaza umama.
You see, nobody knows to be recognized, my bro. But this will be viral. You know what I'm saying? It will be viral. Yeah. And the police ask you questions. Police are pap. Police are pap. Everyone, you know, screaming. Police
Every day.
When?
Every day from last term I've been fighting this. Every day.
We are cool and normal in.
Isikhathi ukutshelinyana wakhe basangikhulumisa. Kusho ukuthi into right and nayi woman in uniform.
Bafuna phambi kwayo yabona.
Endlini yephoyisa kwenzeka imigilingwane nje.
Uyashuka diamond noma yini? Hayibo.
This is enough.
Mfethu.
Babalanda khona.
Excuse me, yenze.
Alright. Asifuna umama.
Life, uzobaba
mntaka mama uzawuze police station Who's else at police station? When I was up.
So take this home, you would be caught by me.
Ujwayele angiqala ukumbona mina. Lo usengislima.
Damn it. Even gays is there, you know. Fucking homosexuals is there. That one is gay. She will come. She will like one. That's what goes on. With the blonde hair. Look, small ladies. Their parents' money, they're spending money.